Learning to Remember. This course is part of an extensive compilation on different topics. This treatise is about healing at a physical level and from its deepest and truest level, which is the being. It has been granted as the beginning of a new school where all that the masters have contributed throughout time becomes one, converging in these times. Thus, everything begins to make sense. Each master will provide their contribution to this compilation, being the ruler of each topic to be discussed as appropriate. This marks a new beginning where light workers, warriors, and people from other planets begin to work together. It is a recognition of unity within them, understanding that nothing external can touch them, that they are not even a body, and that the reality they have conceived for millennia is not as they thought. It requires an opening, acceptance of guidance, and a personal commitment to understanding the paths of one's journey, until the moment arrives when they realize that there was never a path to walk because everything is already perfect and has never been different. We say these words with love because today and always we are with you. You only need to open your heart and allow us to extend our hand to you. Jesus. If you are interested in learning how to remember what your soul knows about these and many other topics, in order to unify consciousness with experience and recognize yourself from the being, send a message to Genrimain from this very post. He will inform you about the many resources available to you under his guidance and that of the School of Knowledge, Luz en Movimiento de Unidad. For in every atom that results from love, the sun awakens.